So next property we are talking about chemical properties of metals. Okay. Third property, when metal reacts with acid, when react with acids. See, metal plus acid form salt and water. Okay, so this case of metal and acid we already observe or we already see in chapter 2, acid, base and salt, in which we talk about chemical properties of acid. So whenever metal react with acid, it always forms salt and water. It always forms salt and water. Okay. Now next one, fourth one, how do metals react with solution? React with solutions of other metal salt. Other metal salt. Okay. Metal react with solution of other metal salt. See, let metal A react with salt solution of metal B. Then it form salt solution of A, and metal B. So this reaction is all about displacement reaction, in which metal A displace metal B in product. Okay, and how one metal replace other element, we already talk about it, the reactivity or activity series of metals or elements. Let us talk about reactivity or activity series, by which we understand how one metal displaces other metal. Okay, see, next important topic, which is the reactivity series. Okay, or we can say activity series also. Activity series, okay, of element. See, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, and gold. Okay, so this is the activity series. Okay, this is the activity series in which these elements are present in decreasing order. Most reactive, least reactive. Reactivity decreases. Okay, see, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, lead, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, and gold. These are the elements present in activity series. Okay, so potassium and sodium are most reactive elements. Okay, they even react with oxygen and catch fire. That's why we put these two metal into kerosene. Okay, and so these are most reactive and gold and silver are least reactive. So this reactivity series given in decreasing order. Means aluminum is more reactive than zinc. Zinc is more reactive than iron. Okay, like this way. So more reactive element or more reactive metal always displace less reactive metals during reaction. Okay, so in this reaction also metal A, which is most reactive, than metal B. That's why metal A displace metal B. Okay, in product. So you need to understand this activity or reactivity series in which these are the elements given in decreasing order. Okay.